Pull up that one up for your mama. Beautiful ladies, how you feeling tonight? Yeah, big up the general once again in a right to the occasion. In a up and all this is Savannah part, don't play with me. That is not my song, see? Ease up. Pull up, drummy, pull up, drummy. Something wrong tonight, man. Listen, man, I don't love how me a hear stuff. Me a hear, oh Lord, don't let me cheat on my boyfriend and my song that. See? So I give him a chance to let me sing it. No, generals, when I hand me down, the girl and take it over, please. Listen to me now, it's not the first, not the last. So much pretty girl I pass, I am a good. Holding on to the task. I want the general that sing this, and I see, oh Lord. What I'm wrong with it? She love me, oh Lord, don't let me see my girlfriend. Well, Lord, if you not stop me, how are you listen to me good and I say, don't let me get caught. I can't hear her now. A little louder. And I hold my Lord, and I hope I don't get caught. Alright, and now listen to me, rise to the occasion. I only want to give the girls what they want. My lady says she would understand. I told my life, and I don't want to cry. No, can you tell her why? I say, oh Lord, don't let me hear my girlfriend. You sound too good, as far as I can see. My beautiful girls not cheat on me. Now, oh Lord, I don't want to cheat on my girlfriend. Ladies, don't you cheat at all. But Lord, if you want to stop me, now everybody on the party say, don't let me get caught. A little louder. Don't let me get caught. I still can't hear you. Don't let me get caught. Oh, you sound so good. And I hope I don't get caught. You loving the vibes. Now everybody in here say yeah. Yeah. Now say yeah. Yeah. Now say yeah. Say yeah. Now say I love. Sizzla. Now say I love. Cheating. I'm joking, I'm sorry. I'm joking, ladies. Believe me, I know you don't love to cheat, okay? But listen, you know what I love? If I could have my way, oh Lord, man, I would live like the great King Solomon in modern day. Listen, my good, I wish my wife and my sweetheart. Now tonight at 30 years, and I'm in. And a solid vibes, I go on. Squeeze down one of my lead, please.